Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Sunday, November the 17th. We are out here in the Buckhead, Atlanta, Georgia area. This is a new client that reached out to me a few days ago. He's moving into this nice, beautiful home. He reached out to me, finding me online, and he was just telling me, he said, Courtney, I had 3 contractors out here, hardwood floor sanding contractors, and they all told me the floors needed to be sanded. We just didn't have the time. But then he was also saying all 3 of them were close to $12,000. Okay, so let me show you guys what we're going to be doing today. All right, we're going to be doing a screen and recoat with some color correction. All right, and yeah, recoating. So and then I had a job yesterday that I was supposed to do in not far from here in the Decatur, North Druid Hills area. It's a clean and buff, so we're going to do that today. After we put the first coat down here, we're going to shoot off to and it's about 8 miles away, do the clean and buff there while the first coat is drying here, because he has a grand piano being delivered tomorrow and he wants his floors cleaned. So let me show you guys again what we're doing today. Hey guys, so again we are in Buckhead. Beautiful day today. My assistant Tavares is with me, and let me show you what we're doing. Alrighty. Also, my client, Miss Parker, who I did this morning. I'm not this morning, yesterday. I talked to her this morning. She just called me just to let me know everything looked great this morning. All right, guys. So we're doing this job. So look close to 36, and we're gonna be doing. And he said he loved the stain. So, but you can see, you can just see where the original finish is starting has worn off. But the stain is beautiful. So we're going to be doing these stairs, that landing, and then these stairs and that landing. He said he's going to have us come back later and do the other 2 stories. This kitchen, walking through here, here, and right here, it's going to do some color correction. You see that? Got a few scratches there. So again, guys, a lot of times these contractors will come in and say, oh, you got to sand the floors. And I have said this a lot of times, screen or recoat color correction is a great service. It does not replace sanding. But in this case, guys, these floors do not need to be sanded unless he wanted to change the stain color. And he said he didn't. You said all 3 companies about 12 grand? 12 grand. Wow.
I'll send you. I'll just blank out the names.
Yeah. Oh, no, that's fine.
It's egregious.
Well, I'm about to do my thing. And like I said, clients like this, they do their research. They see my videos, my pictures, and that gives them the confidence that I can bring these floors back to life without sanding. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. Got a nice screen on this floor. What I'm doing is going around doing a little color correction. But let me show you the one that I'm working on, which was his main concern. And I just called my second job, and he told us we can get there earlier today because we all running early. But guys, look how it's coming out so far. I did a half and half on purpose. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of this color correction. And any other little areas I see, right, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and get that first coat down. Stay tuned. Then poly's going down. Look at that magic right there. Ooh, wait. man. I gotta call my client up and let him see this. Hold on, guys. Come check this out, bro. Come check this out. Then you have to spend 12 grand.
Now the wife's gonna want some jewelry or something.
Hey, there you go. Come on, man. Yes, sir. Hey, we ain't got. Come on, man. Come look from this angle. You can really see it. Look at that.
Yeah. Where did it go?
Where did it go?
Where'd all this crap?
Come on, man.
Awesome.
Yes, sir. So
one more coat going on top.
no. Well, no. This is we're just cleaning it now. Then we're gonna put the first coat, go off and do that clean and buff, then come back and do the second. We always clean our floors before we put new coating on them. Okay. Yep. Yeah, there. Look at that, man. Fraction of the price.
Fraction. Dude.
Fraction. Yes, sir.
Have you had a chance to go upstairs yet?
No, I'm gonna go look. Let me go look upstairs. How many stores you got up there?
There are 2 more.
Two more stores. Okay. 4 floors. Okay, I'm going to take a look. Wow. All right, Steve, I'll let you finish. I'm gonna take a look upstairs right quick. Oh, there's man.
The wife was also very.
She's happy with it. Man, look at that.
Where did that go?
Yes, sir. All right, guys, we just got back. Went to Bill's house. The video you probably see before here. He wanted this floors cleaned just because he has a grand piano coming next week. But guys, my client just gave me DAP because that looks good. So. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do is, this is gonna be the last part of this video. We're gonna go ahead and get the second coat made up. Hey, how you doing? I'm Courtney. How does it look?
Great.
Thank you.
Looks fantastic.
Guys, these floors look amazing. And it is a beautiful color. I love the stains. I think it's probably like dark walnut. And also too, different, it can have a same stain, different companies, and some show different than others, and also how it's applied as well. But this stain is amazing. I love this stain on this wood. All right, guys, go ahead and get the second coat made up. Let that sit for about 15-20 minutes, and get that applied, and we'll be heading back in to enjoy the rest of our day. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.